Hello guys, and welcome back in this new video where I'm going to talk about branches with GitHub using the user interface. So for that, we're going to work with our previous portfolio that we are setting up in our previous video on GitHub. We have introduced everything about GitHub, and I will invite you to check that video as well. So what is the main interest about Git branches? Git branches is going to help us to filter all the modification on our project and make sure that everything looks good, and the manager or the senior developer in charge going to be responsible to merge all the modification once he has checked them on the secondary branch with the main branch and make it available on the production at the production site. So you can see quickly our previous portfolio that we work on in the previous video. So I'm not going to waste your time a lot. I would like to move forward on GitHub interface quickly right now, and I'm going to start to describe everything. So by the end of this video, you will be able to work with branches using user interface on GitHub. Let's go. So once on GitHub, you can see I'm going to move on code on the left side, and you're going to be able to see on this page my Yannick portfolio website. You remember we have a contact.html, an index.html, and a couple picture. So I did a 30-minute video on this website a couple days ago. Let's watch it, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to learn a lot about how to host your website on GitHub. So when I'm clicking on index.html, you can see right there that I have my file that I'm going to modify directly by clicking on the pen, and I'm just going to change the primary color to red. Okay, and you see right there I have a blue color, so it's that color that's going to move to red with I am Yannick. So I'm going to click on commit changes, then provide a commit message that the senior should be able to read about my changes. Okay, so I just changed the color that was pretty much blue to the red one. Okay, so I changed the primary color moved to red. Okay, I can provide an extended description, but I won't. I'm just going to move on the next step right there. In the previous video, I just used commit directly to the main branch, and because I didn't want to waste my time. And yeah, today we're going to use the create a new branch option, because we want to implement the collaboration with someone that's going to validate changes, okay, after the committing process using branches. So I'm just going to click on create a new branch for this commit and start pull request. So I'm going to click on propose changes to the manager or to the lead of this project, and you can see open a pull request that is showing up. You can see also that we have right now a main branch and a secondary branch with the message that I've provided with the name of my branch, my secondary branch. Okay, so normally we have to create a pull request after the previous step. Okay, so we're just going to continue on this open a pull request page. Okay, so we're going to scroll down, and you can see downstairs that we have our previews and our update color, primary color, and yeah, so I can add a description to create a pull request here to explain to my manager what I've changed exactly, and it's also showing up on the bottom right there. Okay, so it's just awesome with GitHub, and I just gonna provide a quick description here. Change color. GitHub is powerful. It's something that every IT people should know. Okay, so I'm gonna create pull request after my short description, and you can see that I have one field change, one contributor, one commit. So GitHub gonna provide all the details. Okay, the date, the message, and so on, and you have the code, the previous option, and the updated option on the right. So my manager gonna have everything, or my senior lead gonna have everything to take a decision to match my code. Okay, so you can see right there that no conflict with base branch. So you can click on merge pull request right now in order to complete it, my my merging process. So before that, I'm coming back right there, and I'm going to show you quickly what we have on my main branch right now in index.html. You're going to see that I still have the previous color indication because I didn't merge it yet. And after proceeding with the merging process, you're going to see that you're going to have that same red that we have right now on secondary branches Ui Qt. So it's really important to understand this, and I would love to have an idea about all this when I've started my IT career. So I'm really happy to share this with you, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to be helpful. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to continue with my merge pull request right now, and you're going to see what's happening. Okay, extended description. I can provide more description, but I don't have to. Okay, I think that I'm just going to keep this one like that, or just say good job on changing color. Confirm merge. There you go. You can see that merge on the past tense is showing up on the top right there. So everything has been merged successfully. So if I'm moving on my code on my main branch right now and I'm checking for index.html again, you're going to see that I have the red color on primary color right now. Okay, so it's just awesome. I'm going to move on my website and refresh it in a couple seconds, and you're going to see that right now I have the red color that is showing up. So everything is updated. Everything is updating automatically. Sorry. Let's refresh this page, and you see we have a red color now. So give a thumbs up if you have learned something new, and make sure to subscribe because we're going to learn more about GitHub and all the DevOps software concept that can be useful in your automation process. So see you. Bye.